First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude for considering me a part of this beautiful, beautiful project. Thanks to Sunni sir, Ramesh sir, Vinay, and all the team who had been working so hard for this film. Honestly, I was extremely nervous when I decided to work on this project, but everything went so smoothly. Everybody has been so kind, so humble, and also my team, everybody, whether it be technicians, directors, all the departments, everybody has been kind to me, and I'm very grateful. Thanks to all of you for coming here. I hope you will like the movie. Sunny sir and everybody has given all of it to the film, and I feel very blessed, and thank you everybody. Thank you.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಾಧೆ ಪಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇವ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸುನಿ ಸರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹಿಂಗೇನ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಇವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಹೀರೋ.
They have been very kind to me, always very sweet and very.
You can tell us annoying
supportive.
things also, not only the good
Never
things.
annoyed me, never ever. Like in terms of language, it has been I thought it will be difficult, but no, it wasn't. They were there all the time. Vinay had been like helping me throughout, and also sir, like all of them. You are very sweet people, all of you. Like I loved Bangalore, I loved this place, I loved the people, energy especially. Thank you so much.
And this particular song,
It beautifully made, simple yet extremely beautiful.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈ ಮೂವಿ ಬಜಾರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಪ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ.